Ah, it's too far away. There we are, Matt. Matt, fuck off, arsehole.
On top of the bus shelter.
Oh, fuck off, get up there.
Go on, Andy.
Fuck, I was gonna fucking nail him there.
How about in the middle of this group?
How about smelling your mom?
How about smelling your sister?
Nah, smelling your sister.
Smell the bin.
Nah, that's too far.
Brim, brim.
Stay on.
Excuse me?
There you go.
I want £6 at the bandit tonight.
What for your juices? Come!
Hey, Jesus.
Brim, brim. Aye, go ahead.
Don't be so fucking silly.
How will you get that?
Big.
Aye.
Don't be such a fucking clown.
Crush it. Oh, it's not that tree.
Well.
And you're losing, Budgie.
It's not fucking hard.
Budgie.
Hey, fucking shit. Oh, I'm not going up there.
Go on, go on, go on, go on.
Oh,
Oh, he's fucking done it now.
Aye, spikes.
Can't get up there, spikes. Sonny Bob.
Ah,
Shove him in, go on, shove him in.
You peed.
no. I'm fucking keen, yeah.
Go.
What's keen?
Shove him in.
You would like hit that.
It's on top.
Oh, that's not good for you, man.
Here, man.
And a two little bastards.
Your mud doesn't mind.
Smell your ma.
You like that, Andy?
That's alright.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Ah! My shoulder! Ah, Daddy, my shoulder! My shoulder, you dead. Like, fucking shit, yeah.
Just want a cuddle, bud.
Ah, my fault. Your ma?
You're getting beat. Come on, what this for?
Who's that?
Good ball, bro. See a wee dirty slut shakes out here. Let's get the ball.
Oh, it's pressed on the face. And he's all. Hey, he's been stamped again. Arsene Wenger.
Jeff,
Hey, man. Yeah, if it's more than 10 minutes, scrap it all.
It's only 4. Andy playing hide and seek.
Yeah.
found me.
Oh, baby. I can be your body moving, driving me mad.
What do you grab your hat for?
because you got in the cut. Alright, that's a famous head shop there. Fuck off. Then it. Sure, thank you. Well, fuck, I just skinned that me up. I just make him look hard on camera because he can't get hard anywhere else.
Your mug got me hard.
What?
My legs.
What?
Money!
You're a dick, by the way.
What's 20p?
Still.
There's a pound. Look, I'm picking up money. What a poor asshole.
Video.
Picking up money. Budgie, mate. There's 10p for you.
What you got to say that in budget?
What do I need 10p for? Your mom's cheaper than that.
Some mere root rostals.
Well,
Root Rostals are 29p now. Fuck
right,
off.
game over.
So.
I win.
No, you don't.